Thanksgiving is here. Or maybe it isn't. I don't know when you're watching this. Either way, you want to know how to brine a turkey to make it even more delicious, whether you're smoking it, frying it, or doing it the old-fashioned way by roasting it in the oven. Well, here you go. The recipe in the description will show you how I do it. I start with water and apple juice, and I add things like fresh rosemary, plenty of garlic, kosher salt, sugar, and orange peels. Feel free to adapt this recipe and play around with other aromatics that you think will work. You'll start by combining all those ingredients in a large pot. You'll stir until the salt and sugar dissolves. Bring that to a boil, then turn off the heat and cover it. Allow it to cool completely. Then pour into a large brining bag, a pot. I even used a cooler one time. Place your uncooked turkey in that brine solution, then keep it cold for at least 16 to 24 hours. When you're ready to roast that turkey, or throw it on the smoker, put it in the fryer, remove that turkey from the brine. Submerge it in a pot or a sink of fresh, cold water and allow it to sit in that clean water for 15 minutes or so to remove any excess salt from the outside of the bird. Discard that brine, remove the turkey from the clean water, pat it down dry, and cook it according to your normal methods. Trust me, this will be one of the juiciest, most flavorful, and delicious turkeys you will ever have. That's how you do it. Be sure to like and follow our channel for even more great tips and tricks coming soon.